Good morning, class. I hope we're all ready to put on our thinking caps.
Good morning, Mrs. Powell.
So, to start today's lesson, can somebody remind me what we talked about yesterday?
We talked about integers.
Very good. So, can anyone tell me what an integer is?
It's every single number, like possible. All of them.
That's right. So, who can tell me what two different kinds of integers are?
There's negative and there's positive.
Awesome. I think y'all have this idea down. Now we can move on. So today we're going to learn about how to add and subtract integers. Do you think that adding or subtracting negative and positive numbers together is possible?
Maybe.
Well, let's find out. So we're going to start with something simple. Let's start with 212 plus 200. So if we were to make, what would the answer to this one be?
412.
Okay, so if we were to make one of these numbers negative, like this, what would it be?
Negative 12.
Okay, so by looking at that equation, is there another way that we could write it?
Yes, we could do 200 minus 212.
And what would that equal?
The same thing, negative 12.
Okay, so if we were to add 200 plus negative 300, would this involve both positive and negative numbers?
No.
Well, let's think about that again. So if we did 200 minus 300, would it?
Yeah, because the answer would be negative 100.
See, it's just being able to rewrite that equation. So 200 minus 300 and 200 plus negative 300 are the same thing. And we know the answer is negative 100, so it involves a negative integer. So now I'm going to write another equation on the board, and I want you guys to solve it.
It's 312.
Negative.
Negative 312.
Good job. So how about this one?
Ooh, it's negative 67.
Very good, guys. Okay, so now we're going to do an activity. I want you guys to show me what you know. So I'm going to give everybody a worksheet, and you may go to any of the comfy chairs in the room and work on this quietly. If you have any questions, you may raise your hand, and I will help. When you're finished, raise your hand, and I will come check your work.
I can't figure out how to answer this one.
Okay, so it's negative 23 plus 23. Well, is there a way to rewrite the equation to make it easier to solve?
Yeah, I could do 23 minus 23. Oh, that makes it 0.
There you go. Very good.
Duh.
All right, you're almost done. Good job. All right, so now that everyone's done, did everyone feel super confident in this activity? Can anyone tell me what a negative integer is?
It's a number that's equal less to 0.
Very good. So this one. Just to cover our bases, does this problem involve negative integers?
No, they're both positive, so the answer is going to be positive.
Good job. So let's think about what kinds of things would use negative numbers.
Temperature.
Okay.
Spending money.
Good job. So tomorrow we're going to learn how to multiply and divide integers. Everyone have a good day.